Okay, while my yam chips are in the oven getting nice and crisp, I want to go over another tip on how to avoid junk food. Clean out your pantry. I can't be any more clear than that. We all tend to have something in our refrigerator or our pantry that is not probably the best thing for us. I have a couple examples actually that I just pulled out of my own pantry. I have some Hershey Kisses and 2 different kinds of Hershey bars. I mean, as yummy as they are, my jeans don't like them, the way that I fit in my jeans. So we're just going to get rid of them. You know, these were actually given to me as gifts, you know, stocking stuffers, or they went in a gift bag with another present someone gave me. And so as much as I appreciate them, and as much as I appreciate the thought and the gift, if I actually were to eat all of this, the thought is what counts when people give you a gift. And the thought doesn't change whether you eat the chocolate or not. So just step away from it. Clear out the pantry. I'm just going to toss these right now and clear out your refrigerator. Get rid of things that aren't good for you, that aren't healthy, so they're not a temptation. So when it's late at night, or you get home and you're just starving, you've got to have something. The bad stuff is out, and we're replacing it with the good stuff. We're going to have some yam chips we're going to keep in the pantry. We're going to have some homemade nut granola things I'm going to show you how to make in a minute. Stock your pantry with good things. Get rid of the bad things. Don't think you're gonna be good and not eat them, because at some point you'll cave. Because I do. We all do. So clean out the pantry.